this is a response show to that as well. This is in fact a reply to the roadshow that he's come back to his constituency, and therefore now Rahul Gandhi would want to show, the Congress party wants to show that their turnout will be as high as perhaps Modi claimed his was in Amethi.
And the other political parties, those who have been holding rallies, they have been importing the people from other states. Well, we have not brought any person from outside the district or outside the constituency.
Rahul Gandhi started at about 8 o'clock this morning. He's just landed just a few minutes back at the helipad near one of the helipads right next to the spot where we are starting from. A number of senior leaders of the Congress party are already here with Rahul Gandhi. We just had a word with Ghulam Nabi Azad just a little while back. On your screens, in fact, if I could just ask my camera person to maybe give you a slight close-up. There's also Madhusudan Mistry and, of course, the candidate Ajay Rai very much standing right next to Rahul Gandhi. But today, with Rahul Gandhi on the streets as well, that's the kind of shot in the arm for Ajay Rai, the local candidate here, who had designed his entire campaign around the fact that a local can be trusted more than anybody else. And one of the reasons why you see this kind of a show of strength. 500 meters from the starting point. So where we are right now, of course, is this place called Pili Koti. I could tell you that there are more than a few thousand people on either sides of this cavalcade. So the sense one gets is that this was a planned turnout which has really come off well for the kind of message that Rahul Gandhi has been trying to give.
Even as Rahul Gandhi's roadshow was on in Varanasi, the Congress Vice President was in for a surprise in the Benia Bagh area, where late Ustad Bismillah Khan's son, Ustad Zaman Ubaid Khan, was performing on a shehnai welcoming Rahul Gandhi.
कांग्रेस वालों ने हमको बुलाया और हम शाम को स्वागत के लिए गए, इस्तकबाल किया बजाया और हम भी बहुत खुश हुए उनका स्वागत करके और उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो लोग हमको दिल्ली बुलाएंगे.
The roadshow began for Rahul Gandhi. The crowd was not very high, the turnout was not very high, but definitely it has now increased. The number has increased here in Varanasi. This, let's remember, as you can see, vehicle of Rahul Gandhi completely surrounded by people here. These are people, as of course the Congress party would want to claim are the ones who have in fact are locals here of Varanasi. 5 p.m. campaigning ends, and then the fate will be sealed on May 12th when voters decide to in fact touch and click on that specific ballot. Will it be a surprise victory? Will it be an expected one? Remains to be seen. But certainly these few weeks in Varanasi have been extremely controversial and also in fact have extremely been interesting. Therefore in Varanasi with Vijay Mohan, Pooja Shah, Times Now.